In a bold move that has sent shockwaves through the academic and political spheres, lecturers at the University of Zimbabwe, represented by the Association of University Teachers (AUT), have announced a massive strike to protest their shockingly low salaries, amounting to less than $250 per month after tax. Subscribe like on the bell icon. Panapa pinda mnao waenda mberi manyera vachiti. This industrial action, set to commence on April 24, 2025, follows a High Court order that a brief meeting held on 23 April 2025 between AUT representatives Dr. Onesimo Kadare and Professor Vengei is reviewed in an official letter from AUT to the Harare Suburban District Police. The letter, penned by AUT Vice President Dr. Onesimo Kadare, formally notifies the officer in charge at Harare Suburban Police Masawi of the impending picketing action. It says that AUT members will protest on 24 April and 25 April 2025 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. demanding better pay and improved working conditions. The lecturers are calling for the support and protection of the Zimbabwe Republic Police during this period, with Dr. Kadare and Professor Vengei designated as the liaison persons of the event. The root of their unrest lies in the dire financial situation faced by UZ lecturers who, despite their critical role in shaping the nation's future, are paid a pittance. Sources within AUT reveal that, after tax deductions, most lecturers take home less than $250 per month, a figure that woefully inadequate given Zimbabwe's soaring cost of living. Thomas Kwaruda panapa achinzi aiwa maUZ lecturers panguva ino aiwa vafunga chaos va musi wa 24 today after 25 tomorrow they are going to protest. Tudze mafunguro emotodipa pamusoro pechitwa chipinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.